welcome to my get ready with me video, guys. Like, it feels as if it's been over 20 years since I did a get ready with me video, like kind of chit chat or sit down with me or makeup tutorial, whatever you guys want to call it. But that's what we're going to be doing today. We're just going to be catching up because it's been so long. I mean, you guys watch my my vlogs. I feel like, you know, vlogs is actually where most times we catch up. But yeah, like just doing a makeup tutorial, it's been ages. Like, I mean, it feels like ages, even though it's the last time I did a makeup tutorial was November or so last year, 2022, and this is already May. Can you guys believe it's May? Like, once after January, that's it, like the year picks up. But I just applied my new acne medication. You guys, if you watched my, I believe my last vlog, you guys were so sweet in that vlog. I'm still going to talk about that, but I just applied my newest acne medication. This is the clindamycin phosphate lotion. That's what I just applied, and then my whole body, my whole lid is dry. I'm going to be applying, you guys already know, if you follow my social media, you know I'm obsessed with OC skincare. Yeah, body lotion, their oil and everything. Talk about hydration, especially with the warmer weather, guys. You guys know it's spring. This is like the perfect skincare product for your skin, because you know how sometimes when you apply a lotion, right, it just feels so heavy on the skin. It kind of gets too oily. You know, this offers a very good hydration. It offers a very good moisturization without it like feeling so heavy. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. It has like that citric, you know, smell to it, which I absolutely love. I love it when my body lotion, it's so warm and like it doesn't really, you know, smell too much. I feel like that is what my deodorant and my perfume is, you know, for. I love it when my body lotion is so mild. It's very, very soft to the skin, which is one of the reasons I absolutely love this product. Just lather it all over my skin, and then I'm just gonna kind of put on my clothes and we're gonna put on the makeup. Of course, if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave my link on screen. This look is gonna be like one of the easiest look you will ever watch, guys, because like I've literally been in the neutral look. Like I can't remember the last time I did like a bold look. It's always, you know, something very simple, very, very neutral. It's funny how when I was doing, well, like when I was making, when I was heavy into, you know, like beauty, like makeup tutorials, I had a whole studio, like I had a whole cabinet full of makeup. But now I just have a very small bag that I just have like my necessary makeup products in it, and that's about it. Like, I mean, I still have all those products, which I'm sure most of them are expired by now, but I mean, the easier, I feel like, for me personally, like the simpler the makeup, the cuter it looks on me. I don't know, maybe it's me, but yeah, guys, like I was saying when we started this video, I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys. Honestly, I was so surprised with the outpour of love I got from my last vlog, guys. That vlog, I wasn't myself in that vlog, guys. Like, I was so depressed. Mind you, I'm not that kind of person that gets depressed easily. Like, you can, I don't know, like that thing must have been so huge for it to, you know, for it to get me depressed. But you know, my last vlog was like, oh my gosh, you know how you've been dealing with something for such a long time, and then like it's as if you've gotten to your breaking point. that was exactly how I felt with that last vlog. But the outpouring of love, the comments, I was reading some of you guys' comments and I was literally crying. I was shedding tears. We're gonna wing it. I usually just apply, you know, powder to control my oily skin, you know, especially with the warmer weather now. It's so warm outside, so you don't want to apply your makeup and it's all over the place, like it starts melting and all those things. But guys, like recently I don't even like contour and highlight when I do my makeup. I just apply my foundation. As you guys can see, this foundation is like a tad, just a tad, I would say a shade lighter. This is my winter color. You know, you guys know, like during winter we get warmer, and then during the summer, spring, we get darker. So this is like my winter foundation color, which is still okay, even though it's like one shade lighter, but it's still okay because usually I don't contour, like I don't apply liquid contour and highlight no more. Set my whole entire face, and I'm using the Coty Espon loose powder. It's been so long. I remember when this powder was it for me here on my channel, and then all of a sudden I forgot about it, and right now I'm back with my Coty Espon loose powder. As you guys can see, especially now that the weather is so hot and humid, you know, I'm not packing up all those liquid contour, liquid highlights. I just go in with a very lightweight translucent powder like the Coty Espon and just set my skin. Oh my gosh, it feels so strange just sitting down and putting on makeup. I can't remember the last time I did this, guys. Alright, so since it's the warmer weather, instead of me to contour, I'm just going to use a bronzer. This is the LA Girl Matte Bronzer. But yeah, like I was saying, Shorts is the new YouTube right now. So like I told you guys, like if you're a content creator, you should get on Shorts. And surprisingly, when I started posting Shorts, I wasn't really, you know, you guys wasn't really watching it, but now it's as if like you guys even watch my Shorts now more than my regular videos, which is okay, you know. You guys watch, like it's as if you guys enjoy my Shorts, and I'm just so happy. Actually, Shorts are far easier to film, to be honest with you guys. Like if you're into content creating, you know the hustle, and bustle we go through. You know, you have to set up the camera right. Like right now I have all these lights, you know, my professional camera. But with Shorts, I film all my shots with my phone. So basically I just use my tripod, even though recently I got this gimbal thing. So like the gimbal that follows you around when you walk around, you know. But yeah, it's basically my phone. I put it on my gimbal sometimes, and that's it. Like filming Shorts, at most it takes me, maybe if it's my cleaning, if I'm cleaning in the shot, probably 2 hours, right? But apart from my cleaning, at most 30 minutes I'm done. Like Shorts is so easy to film, and that's why if you guys notice, I literally load Shorts every single day. Like I enjoy it. I enjoy those short content. That's just me. Even on social media, I love watching people's like short content videos, like reels, TikTok. I believe that's the reason TikTok, like it's up there, because it's like short form. You get all the knowledge you need and not just waste time. You guys, can you believe we're ready? Like we're literally almost done with this look. You see how simple the look looks? That is such a rhythm right there. Just gonna kind of warm up my skin with a blush. I just remembered, guys, so the look I had in mind today, I bought an outfit for it. I really don't know if I'm the only one this happens to, but I hate, one thing I absolutely hate is, I'm also using the blush to warm up my skin. One thing I absolutely hate is looking for things. Like if I keep something, I know where I keep it, and I hate looking for things. And just now, before I went to take my bath and start this video, there's an outfit I had bought. It's like a very cute orange top. I wanted to wear it with like my white shorts. It was going to look so perfect because I need to run some errands, you know, before I pick up the kids from school. That was the outfit I had in mind wearing today. And the look I was going for, I was like, okay, that look is going to go with the outfit. Guys, surprisingly, you will not believe it. Like, where is my brow? Oh, I was looking for my brow pencil. Surprisingly, guys, you won't believe it. Like, for the past 2 hours, I've been in my closet. Like, I've turned my closet upside down, looking for that top. I can't find it. I don't know what happened. I was just praying that, because recently we donated some outfits. You know, we usually do yearly cleanup. I like to clean up the kids' outfits, my outfits. I'm just praying and hoping that I didn't, you know, unintentionally give out that outfit, because it's like brand new. I haven't worn it yet. Who is that? I haven't worn it yet. I like had in mind of filming this video with it, and I looked everywhere, nowhere to be found. So I don't know what happened to the outfit. I almost cried. I was telling her, I said, babe, who took my outfit? He said, babe, who is going to come to your studio and take your outfit? I was so mad. I said, babe, come and help me. And he said, husband was like, help you out with what? You don't know where you kept your clothes? I said, babe, you don't understand. Like, this clothes, I kept it in this closet, but I don't know where it is. He said, babe, I don't know. You should be able to figure out, like, think back where you kept it. But I knew I hung it somewhere. Something huge happened this week in Nigeria. A Nigerian lady won the Guinness World Book of Record. She cooked for 100 hours. I don't even want to talk too much. Like, I don't want to talk loud. So Hobby not done hear it, of which I know. I'm sure he already saw it all over social media. Me, that when I cook like this, I want them to get gold medal for me. I'll be like, babe, only me like this. I stood for 2 hours and I made all this. Think about somebody that stood for 100 hours, guys. The lady's name is Hilda Bassi. Guys, she just won a Guinness World Book of Record. So I think it's the longest cooking hour or something, which is good, but then also bad for us ladies, because it's like our husbands. I haven't heard my husband talk to me about it, so hopefully, I'm praying he hasn't seen it yet. Because people like us, that be every little thing we are complaining about, you know, like the food we've cooked, and we want them to buy us gold medal just because we've cooked for 2-3 hours. Think about somebody cooking for 4-5 days. Is that not crazy? There are humans out there, and there are superhumans. I was just saying, I say, that one is a superhuman. You know? Hilda Bassi is a superhuman. She can't be human because you guys, you already know I can't be talking and putting on liner. She can't be human, no, because me like this 2 hours, I'm already breathing like a goat. Talk more of 100 hours. But she did it 100 hours just cooking. Even though she was getting like a break, they said 5 minutes break with every hour, but still, that 5 minutes, you know, it's not enough. There are things you will be like, oh, I will attempt. There are things you would like, even if I'm in this world for 100 years, 200 years, I will never attempt something like that. That's just the honest truth. So, I was so proud. You want your highlight to be banging. Banging highlights. Upper, put it right here. And I'm using MAC Oh Darling. This is the LA Girl chocolate lip liner. I absolutely love this lip liner, but it's already running, like it's already on its way out. Let me just add a little bit of Velvet Teddy, and then I'm gonna mix in this Dalton lip gloss. This is their High Shine She's a Keeper lip gloss. It's kind of this very gorgeous springy, you know how that spring, you know, lip color look. Let's see, I can't even find my